Welcome to the Toreo Data ODBC connection for Tableau. Today we're going to show you how to import a WebI report as a data source within your Tableau presentation. So as you can see right here, we have a very simple WebI report with a number of different dimensions: year, month name, state, lines, and sales revenue. So we're going to create a simple ODBC driver off of this using our Toreo software. Go ahead and navigate to our data source administrator and click Add. Choose our BusinessObjects WebI driver. Click Finish. Go ahead and give this a name. We're going to call this our Tableau Toreo Data. You can provide a description if you want. Go ahead and log in with our password. Let us know where our CMC is. And we're going to have to go find our report CUID, which is a unique identifier within the BI Launchpad system, as well as the tab name. Now to find our CUID, we're going to navigate back to our Launchpad right here. Come to our Documents tab, find the report that we're using and right-click on it. Choose Properties, and find the CUID, which is in the second line of the Properties line. Go ahead and copy this information. And then we also need to get the report tab name of the data source that we're going to use. Go ahead and navigate back to Launchpad, cancel, come to our ODBC driver, and you can see our report 1 is right here. Type that in. And there you go. You have a fresh ODBC driver. So now we're going to show you how to connect your Toreo data into Tableau. As you see here as our opening screen, we're going to choose Connect to Data. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Other Databases, ODBC. And now we can choose the DSN that we created in the previous step. We're going to choose Tableau Toreo Data and go ahead and hit Connect. We've opened up Tableau, and now what we're going to do is we're going to import our Toreo data. So on the left-hand side, we see the Connect to Data link. Go ahead and click on that, and at the very bottom of the list on the left-hand side, you'll see Other Databases, ODBC. Go ahead and bring that up. We're going to choose the DSN for the ODBC driver that we created previously, called Tableau Toreo Data, and go ahead and hit Connect. And now our data is going to be brought back from the connection. So now you can see that the Toreo has been brought into Tableau, and we're ready to determine what we're going to bring into Tableau itself. So at the bottom, you can see that we have a choice between single table, multiple tables, or custom SQL. We're going to choose single table and search our connection for a table. As you can see, our WebI table is right here. Go ahead, select, and then click OK. We have a choice between Connect Live, Import All Data, or Import Some Data. We're going to choose Import All Data. And it's going to ask us to save the document. And so now you can see the same objects that were in our WebI report are now present in our Tableau model. So let's go ahead and bring our state over here and our lines. And then we can also bring in the number of records right here. We can also add year to our columns here. And because our data is in the state model, we can also show it in a geographic sense. So now you can see that Tableau has brought in our state information from SAP BusinessObjects and has drawn it onto a map. You can also see that our sums are being aggregated here for each one of our states by each one of our lines here as well. And if, for example, if we want to show this in a regular table here, we want to show it in a stacked bar chart, or even break it down by each one of our states, we can easily now modify our SAP Business Objects data into a great Tableau presentation.